By the end of this video, you will know exactly which items you can sell online, and not only sell online, but fast. Now, honestly, a lot of people are intimidated by selling online, and honestly, just selling, period. But I'll tell you, like a wise man once told me, if it's in demand, you will never ever have any problem selling anything. So if you stick around and watch to the end, I promise you I will help you conquer your fear of selling. So when I came up with this list, I kept a couple things in mind. First, these things are always in demand, and also these are things that I personally made money selling myself over the course of time. And I'm sure you will too, so let's jump right into it. And also, this ain't in no particular order, so I'm just listing them out to you. The first thing I'm gonna tell you is Apple Airpod cases, right? If you know anything about anything, then you know Apple AirPods are super popular, right? And because they're popular, then AirPod cases are popular as well. Now, I've seen several different types. Cons that look like sneakers, cons that look like Nintendo cases. It's really gotten creative over the types that I've seen. I've seen some designer, Gucci, Louis, all types. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, okay, so what's that supposed to mean to me? This is where you come in, right? Because what you're gonna do is find those AirPod cases cheap and then sell them for market value of what they're going for online. And I'm about to show you exactly where to find them and how to find them. So the very first and only place I'm gonna tell you to obtain these is on AliExpress, right? So for those of you who are not hip to AliExpress, AliExpress is basically a Chinese wholesaler website. So yes, they do come from China, and most of the time you get a better price break when you buy them in bulk. However, if you go in and look, you can see that you can get them down to as little as $2.50 each if you order enough. Next, what I want you to do is I want you to go to eBay, right? And you're gonna filter by sold listings. And you'll see that these same kinds of AirPods are flying out the door for 15, 20 bucks a pop. Meaning that if you play your cards right, you could be making $12 to $18 profit each on every single one that you sell. That means that you could even go lower to $10 if you really just wanna sell them super fast and still be killing it. So do not sleep on AirPods. Those are definitely something that do sell online and fast. And here's the beauty of everything that I'm gonna tell you today. You can also sell these just as fast in person. The next thing, headphones. Now, once again, if you know anything about anything, then you know how important headphones are to pretty much everybody of all age groups. Headphones nowadays really are a status symbol amongst teens and adults. And one of the biggest being Apple AirPods, right? Like I just mentioned. However, not everybody can afford the AirPods. And so once again, here's where you come in. So listen up. There are an alternative to those, right? Some people call them fake AirPods or knockoff AirPods. And before you write them off, I want you to go look and see how many sell every single day. So if you look at AliExpress or Alibaba, either one of those, you'll find the TW12 wireless headphones, right? Now, once again, let's make no mistake. They are somewhat knockoff AirPods. However, based on different reviews that you can find online every day, people find them very comparable, and some people say better than the AirPods. And for the price, I'm sure people who really wanted the AirPods but couldn't afford them definitely enjoy these. Now, depending on how many of those you buy on this same website, you can get them down to 25 cents a pop. Or if you don't want to order that many, you can get them for $3 a pop. Now, if you turn over and check on eBay and see what these type of headphones are selling for, you'll see that they're going from anywhere from $10 to $25 with an average sale price really of $19.99. So just imagine if you buy 100 of them for, let's say, $2.85, right? And you sell them all for just $10 each. Then that's effectively you turning $285 into $1,000. Like, once again, when you're doing volume, that profit adds up. So that's a perfect example right there of how that works. And hey, you don't have to limit yourself to the knockoff AirPods. You can find any of those electronics on there. Any of the consumer electronics on Alibaba, AliExpress will definitely go on eBay for a higher price. And the reason why is because I know you're probably wondering, like, bro, why wouldn't someone just go to AliExpress? Well, honestly, because everybody doesn't want to wait a month for their product to arrive. So if you can do that, if you can think ahead, put your order in and then start selling, then they'll pay more to have it shipped from the US and get it in a couple days. So that's exactly why you can come in and get paid to do something essentially that people don't want to do, which is wait. Next, phone chargers. Now, with phone chargers, you don't have to specifically cater to the iPhone, because I know a lot of people hear that and think that. However, it is the most popular. Now on Alibaba, they go for about 80 cents each, and they go for about $2 each on eBay, and sometimes even in the bundles. If you can make it work as far as your profit, then hey, do that. Now, this is the thing. You would definitely have to do a lot of volume with these because the profit margins are going to be so low. But what did I teach you about profit versus volume? As long as you get a decent amount of these and, you know, let them go online, build up your customer base. Once you start selling a few of these, trust me, more and more people are going to come to you to buy them because they see that, okay, this person is shipping them out. I just need a quick charger. It's going to be like a snowball effect, and you're going to have a chance to do volume. You just have to have them. So if you buy 100 of those for 80 cents each, right? And then turn around and sell them all for $2 each, then you're effectively turning $85 into $200 real quick and fast. So once again, when you're doing volume, it does not matter how much profit you're making. I mean, of course, you do want to make some profit once again, but the volume can definitely substitute for that lag. Next, phone cases. Phone cases like AirPods are very popular, especially amongst teenagers, right? And they also have a super wide range of them, just like they have the designer ones like the AirPods, the Nintendo case ones like the AirPods. Trust me, there's a phone case made for every niche, every interest group out there. So basically it's your job to figure out which ones are selling the most, okay? Because all of them sell, but maybe get 5 Gucci ones, get 5 Nike ones, get 5 Nintendo ones to see which ones sell, and then whichever ones you run out of first, that's how you know, boom, okay, I need more of those. Now you can also find these for as little as $1.50 to $2 on AliExpress or even on Alibaba, just sites like that, Chinese sites that pretty much manufacture all this stuff. Now another thing that you can sell online fast is hype sneakers, right? And I have a series of videos teaching you exactly how to do that. So meet me over in that video, man. We closing in on 18K. Love y'all out there, man. Let's get it.